Hello friends, for this headband you will need a three color of yarn. This is a thin yarn, and you take the 5 mm crochet hook. Let us start. You take your favorite color yarn, and make one slip knot. Slip knot and make foundation chains as per your required size, and you take chains multiple by 2. Here I am taking 52 chains. I am taking 52 foundation chains, and then take 3 more chains and skip the 2 chain and go to the 3rd chain and make 1 double crochet. Make 2 more double crochet in the same stitch. And then make 2 chain and skip the next 1 2 3 chain and go to the 4th chain from your hook and make 3 double crochet the same stitch. Then 1 2 chain and skip the next 1 2 3 chain, go to the 4th chain and make 3 double crochet. And you repeat the same stitch in this round. I have completed the first round, and here the last stage of this round. Here I am making only 1 double crochet. Then make 3 chain and turn your work and go to the very first space and make 3 2 chain and go to the skip the next 3 stitches, go to the next space and make 3 This is a very simple pattern. You can make it easily. Chain, go to the next space and make 3 this, and you repeat the same pattern, make same stitch in this round. Hello friends, I have completed my second round. Then I am attaching the another color yarn. Three chain and 2 more chain, and go to the very first space and make 3 this. Then 2 chain, go to the next space, you skip the next 3 stitches and go to the space and make 3 this. 2 chain, skip the next 3 stitches, go to the space and make 3 stitch, and you repeat the same stitch in the next 3 lines, and you can change the color of yarns. Hello friends, I have completed my 6 lines of the granny's pattern, and then you take your craft needle and now I am joining it together and sew it, and first you fold it in one, 2 and 3, you fold it and then you sew it together. Hello friends, I have sew it, and then you take one flower, rose flower, and you attach it in the center of the headband, and you can attach one small bead also. And this is a very simple and easy project for beginners, and thanks for watching.